The Shy Albatross is Tasmania's very own species of albatross. We are on Albatross Island, which is in the northwest Bass Strait, and its name in Palawakani is Namanuruni. Watching the Shy Albatross fly is just spectacular. They live for over 40 years and the ocean is their home. They fly at sea for years and years. They only come here out of necessity to raise their young. The first 4 months of their life, they're sitting in the one spot on their nest. Their parents are coming back to feed them every day or so. The chicks are just sitting out on their nest day after day. They get pelted with every weather you can imagine. The northwest of Tasmania is just wild. Gale force winds, rain, all weather conditions. Hot sun, not many make it. Breeding success is only about 30 to 40% on average year to year. Some years we come out and it's a pretty poor season and there's lots of dead chicks. It's heartbreaking because you think of all the effort these two birds have gone to for this breeding attempt, putting all their heart and soul into this egg and this one chick, and it's, yeah, their one shot at a successful breeding attempt for the year. So we know climate change is going to be an issue for Shy Albatross. These birds are a very long, slow-lived species. They can't adapt quickly. We know that there'll be an increase in extreme events when this could cause heavy rainfall, which would degrade the nests. We have found a link between good nests and successful breeding attempts. And so we want to have a toolbox of options to be able to help this species survive and get through rapid changes. So while the population's healthy and robust, we need to be trialling these conservation strategies and interventions to make sure we've got some options for if things get bad, we can help them.